Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Can't Get Over You on guitar. First, let's look at the main chords you'll need. The song primarily uses G, B, M, D, and A. You'll want to place a capo on the second fret to match the original key. The basic strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, up, keeping a steady rhythm throughout. Practice these transitions smoothly. For the verse, you'll follow a simple G, B, M, D, a progression. Play each chord for one measure. This progression sets the foundational feel of the song. Focus on smooth changes between these chords, letting each ring out clearly. Keep your strumming consistent to maintain the song's flow. There isn't a distinct pre-chorus, so the verse leads directly into the chorus. The chorus brings back the familiar G, D, A, B, M progression, often with more intensity. Really lean into the strumming here to make it stand out. When you reach the bridge, the chords are G, D, A, B, M, but the feel shifts slightly. This section offers a variation in dynamics. Practice transitioning into and out of the bridge smoothly, paying attention to the song's emotional arc. The guitar solo typically follows the verse chord progression, allowing for melodic improvisation over G, B, M, D, A. For the outro, you'll repeat the chorus chords G, D, A, B, M, gradually fading out. Focus on maintaining a steady tempo throughout the entire song. Consistent practice will help you master the transitions and feel confident playing Can't Get Over You. Enjoy the process of bringing this song to life.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.